Hi, my name is Justin Stress,
And my name is Angela Lynn.
and our web application helps commuters reap the benefits of bike share during their daily commutes.
In large metropolises like New York, getting from point A to point B in the shortest time possible is of utmost importance.
Bike share programs have provided a new means to get where you need to go, oftentimes without the delays and service changes associated with public transportation.
Existing map services offer bike directions, but don't often take into consideration walking to the closest bike share station.
Our approach is to break down your trip into 3 legs, walking from your origin to the bike share station, riding from station to station, then finally walking to your destination.
We sum the travel times for each leg to calculate a total bike share travel time, which can be compared to public transportation time to determine which is faster.
After having an hour-long subway ride to Stuyvesant for the past 4 years, we wanted to find a way to make our commutes less stressful. Our web application was inspired by the installation of a city bike station adjacent to our school. We thought it would be faster than the subway for certain trips, so we wanted a way to compare the travel times. After finding that no existing program did this, we decided to code our own app. Our application was coded in Python, and we used Flask as a web micro framework. Our website is styled with pure CSS, and it's hosted in the cloud with DigitalOcean. We used the Google Maps API for direction services and their geolocation API for JavaScript-based autocompletion. Now let's check out our website, which can be accessed at fun.2bike.ca. You'll notice our homepage is the main search engine. We have an About page, and you can also check out our code on GitHub. Now, let's go back to the search page. You'll notice that if we attempt to find directions between locations outside of the city bike service area, such as Astoria and Forest Hills, we'll get an error. Why don't we search between Brooklyn Bowl in Brooklyn and Stuyvesant High School in Manhattan? Notice you only have to type the first few letters, and Google autocompletion will take care of the rest. After hitting search, we find out that MTA wins. City Bike takes about 40 minutes, and the MTA will take about 36 minutes. Let's look at how we break down the travel times. For City Bike, leg 1 involves walking 12 minutes to the closest station. Leg 2 involves biking 26 minutes from the station closest to Brooklyn Bowl to the station closest to Stuyvesant. Notice that the maps included are interactive. You can drag them around and zoom in and out to see the specifics of your route. Finally, Leg 3 involves walking 2 minutes from the station to Stuyvesant. Now, let's take a look at the MTA breakdown. Leg 1 is a walk to the L train at Bedford Avenue. Leg 2 is the L train ride along 14th Street. Leg 3 takes into account the transfer between the L and the A train. Leg 4 is the A train ride down to Chambers Street, and finally, Leg 5 is the walk to Stuyvesant. Since the majority of our users will likely be using our service on the go in their smartphone web browsers, we made our website responsive in that if you zoom in or out, the elements will resize to remain easy to read. This is just the beginning. We're planning to implement new features such as user login and taking into account additional factors such as cost and weather. Our app is also scalable in that it has the potential to expand beyond New York City to other bike share cities, both across the country and around the world, such as San Francisco, Paris, or Boston.
Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoy our app.